How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to hide your Instagram following and followers list. So for that, just open your Instagram account, and after that all you have to do is just click on the profile icon from the bottom right, and after that when you will click on the following list, you can see that you will be able to see the following list from here and also the followers. I don't have followers as of now in my profile. So in order to hide your following and follower list, you need to make sure that you have a personal account and not a business account. So in order to check that, just click on the hamburger icon from the top right, and after that just go to settings and privacy, and here when you will scroll down, you will see this option called account types and tools. Just click on it, and here it will ask you to switch to a professional account. That means this is a personal account. So in order to hide your following list, you have to have a personal account, otherwise you won't be able to hide your following and follower list. And after that, all you have to do is just click on the account privacy section, and you need to switch your account to private mode. So just toggle the bar and switch to private. And now I have opened a different account of mine, and from here, as you can see, that you can see the following and follower list, but when you click on it, you won't be able to see the following and followers list. So this is the only and the legitimate way to hide your Instagram following and follower list. So I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.